Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In this session we will learn conditional formatting and format as table. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is used to visualize data and make worksheets easier to understand. I have prepared a worksheet for salary report for the year 2019, having columns, name of the employee, basic, DA, and gross. So, I will use conditional formatting for basic. Basic greater than 50,000 should format to bold, red font color. Either you can select range or full column by clicking on column heading. I will select the range. Click on Home tab. In Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting. Click on Highlight Cell Rules. As you can see, list available. You can use conditional formatting for text, date, etc. Let's try one option. Click on Greater Than. Enter the basic more than 50,000 and you can select predefined formatting. Or you can apply custom formatting. In our case, I will select bold and red color font. You can see, basic greater than 50,000, formatted to bold and red color. If you try to do changes in data, formatting will be updated accordingly. There are three different types of conditional formatting presets, like data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Data bars are like bar graph. Higher the value, longer the bar in the cell. Color scales will change the color of scales based on the values. Icon sets can be used as different shapes, direction, and indicators. Click on Clear Rule to clear the conditional formatting. You can set new rules for conditional formatting. We will use icon sets to analyze our DA. Click on Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule and select Format all cells based on the value. Select the format style to icon sets. Select icon style. Now change the type to number. Enter the value. Green icon for DA for more than 8,000. Orange icon for DA between 5,000 to 8,000. Red icon for DA below 5,000. Click on OK. Now you can check your data. DA above 8,000 formatted to green icon. DA between 5,000 to 8,000 formatted to orange. And red icon for below 5,000. Let's try conditional formatting on text. Select the name column, click on Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule. Select Format only cells that contain. Change cell value to specific text. Select beginning with, and type any alphabet. Click on Format and apply the formatting. Click on OK. Now you can see, names starting with S, formatted with dark green font color with light green background. Next we shall learn about Format as Table command. Excel automatically converts your data range to a table. If you don't want to work with your data in a table, you can convert the table back to regular range. Format as Table helps to apply different table style, filter, and sort data. To apply table style for the data, select the range, click on Home tab, and click on Format as Table command. Select the style, and tick mark on, My table has a header. Click on OK. Click on Design tab, you can change table style. In the Table Style Options group, you can do custom formatting. Tick mark on Header row, it will highlight only top row. Tick mark on Total row, to calculate the total. Banded row will highlight alternate rows. First column will highlight first column. Last column will highlight the last column. Banded column will highlight alternate column. Filter button will add filter button on the header row. You can click on button and sort data in ascending and descending order. You can also filter data. Click on the button and just select required names. Only those names will display and rest other data will be hidden. Click on Clear Filter option to clear the filter of the column. Click on Insert Slicer, select the field you want to filter, example, name. Click on the name whose data you want to display, other names will be hidden. Click on Clear Filter option to clear the filter. Click on Multi-Select option to select multiple names. To convert the table to range, click on Design tab, click on Convert to Range command. Accept the confirmation dialog box. Today's session, we have learned how to visualize data and make it easier to understand using conditional formatting, and convert range to the table using Format as Table command. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.